What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Forex King coming back at you with another video. Welcome back to my channel, YouTube, and Forex fam. It's been a couple days, man, a couple weeks actually, since I recorded my last video, and for good reason. I just didn't feel like recording. If you're new to my channel, very quickly, I don't know, I might do a thumbnail for this video, maybe. But the purpose of this video is really more of like a July summary of what happened, what's been going on. But I will say, if you're new to my videos, you'll see like the last few videos I put out, except for maybe the very last one I put out, I haven't really been doing a lot of thumbnails just for specific reasons. I can get content out faster, but also because I just prefer to put out real authentic trading content without any clickbait, any unnecessary fillers, none of that garbage. Just real authentic content that's valuable and that hopefully can bring value into your trading journey. So without further ado, I'm gonna get right into it. So the last few weeks I've been losing a lot to the point where I breached my last account. I didn't really want to say that. It took me a long time to kind of deal with it, but I dealt with it and I'm back in the game. So to summarize July, and that's really the purpose of this video, because I'm not going to trade anymore for the day anyway. It's what, 12 noon, July 31st. I'm not trading anymore. Today was a pretty solid day. July, honestly, was still good and profitable, and in a way that if you just look at the numbers. And the reason why I say that is because this is the current account that I have now. What am I doing? Hold on. 30 seconds. Lock in loaded account. So this is the last account that I breached. What account number is this? 669874. Okay, 66984. I don't think I'm gonna trade this anyway. Yeah, but nevertheless, I really wanted, so this was the old account that breached, but what I wanted to show was the stats for this account prior to me breaching it. So, actually no, here. So, 6-9, okay. So for the overall month of July, and this is really what I want to get into. Total P&L shows 296, 56% win ratio. That was because I went on like a terrible losing streak the last week, last couple of days really. My losing trade 56. So I held my winning trades longer. Daily P&L 20. So I'm like overall, numerically, it's not the best, but what it always comes down to is money. And the reason why I said while it's not the leaps and bounds that I would have preferred to have, I still had once as low as 30 seconds, or as fast as my internet will allow me to. There you go. I still had two payouts in July. July 4th and July 14th. So before I went on my losing streak and went crazy, I still had payouts. So I'm not sure if this P&L I would assume is reflective of everything that I did. But the point is, throughout the month, while I breached the account, it was still profitable, number one, and then number two, I still got payouts. So yeah, I breached and I went on a losing streak, but I still had something to show for the month, and I'm okay with that. So the growth is there. I already did June, so I'm not really going to go back to June. Well, why not? Let's do this real quick. So June, of course, I would prefer June. So June, I had a so June was $600, and obviously I would have liked July to be a little bit better, but June was actually a pretty good month. June I had an 87% win rate. I mean, I grew the account 30% return, and just not to repeat the entire video that I did for the June recap. I mean, I rebounded well. And well, matter of fact, for the kick, since we're here, let's do this. So from June to now, first I'm looking at this. Okay, overall not bad. So from June to now, since I decided that I'm going to turn up and get to the next level, 70 to 72% win rate, not bad. 18% return, not bad. Got to improve this. Oh wait, but this is, oh yeah. So this is everything inclusive from June to July, even after I breached it. So I mean, overall, not bad, right? So the account is breached. I'm no longer trading this account, but I'll be very honest. So because of money a little low, right? I went, and against my better wishes, but it is what it is. I got a one-phase challenge account. Now, if you watch a lot of my previous videos, I am dead set against doing evaluation accounts just because I don't need to prove myself. Like, I know I can trade, but it was affordable, it was cheap, it was like $95. I said, you know what, I'll do it real quick. It's one phase. I said, all right, I'll bite the bullet and run it. So the numbers for this account so far, I'm doing pretty well. So I'll switch the account now to these numbers. I think that's it now. So from, yeah, so like, I just got it on Monday, literally. So from Monday to now, I'm doing, in my opinion, phenomenal. Like, I'm doing very, very well right now with this account. So it was a $12,500 account. Got to grow 10%, and we're doing really well. Really, really, really. Win rate so far is 83%. Winning trade is higher than losing trade. That's what we want. Today was pretty solid, $145. Tuesday I lost, but we got back into the game yesterday. Not bad. I'm holding my winning trades longer than losses, which is exactly what I want. So I see the growth and everything's improving, and we're doing what we need to do. We can look at the actual numbers. Yeah, so one loss and everything else has been pretty good so far. Like, I had that one loss, came back Tuesday, 300, boom, 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 and this is today. And then we go here. You can see that today, boom, and 13 minutes, I made $150. So, rockstar day. This was a minute. This was monster. Like, it pulled back on me fast on Tuesday. But, so overall summary, again, that's the purpose of this video. To summarize July. July, not the best. I would have liked it to be better. Don't we all, right? But, I mean, the journey to success is not straight at all. I feel better. I feel great. I do feel like I'm improving every single day. So right now, as we enter into August, the mission is to get past this challenge. Right? Once we get past this challenge, then we get the funded account and we take off and we get to the next level. That's really what we're on right now. That's it. So actually, let's do numbers real quick. Calculator. So it was a $1,200 account, 500. The goal is 1350, so 13,750 minus 12,942, $800, right? Not bad. We'll see how long it takes me to get there. I'm 35% there, so I mean, I'm like, to be here in 3 days, not bad. Now, we don't know what the market does. You know, the market is unpredictable, but again, I just got the account a couple days ago. You see, 3 days ago, Tuesday. So overall, I'm happy. I'm not saying I'm happy. I've accepted what's going on right now. You dig? So I just hope this video helps. I'm just being transparent. I'm recording because, again, this is more about for me too, to stay true to my journey, be accountable to myself, not run from, you know what I mean? It doesn't make sense. Run. Just face what you need to face, learn, grow, accept the experience, and just keep going to the next level. And that's really what it is. But overall, we're good. I'm in a good spot. Mentally, I'm good. Today we did well. I'm regaining back my discipline because that's really why I was losing so much. And then we just continue to learn and grow. So that's it. We don't want this video to be too long, but this is really just a recap of everything that happened in July. If you guys are trading, man, good luck. Be careful in the markets. If you're not trading, again, be careful in the markets. I say it all the time. The markets don't care about you. Only you care about you. All right, but I appreciate you for sticking with me, rocking with me. Forex King out.